Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the GlobaLink LED string lights here. Wow, 40 meter, and on this 40 meter you will get 300 light emitted diodes. Wow, and on top this device here is battery powered. That means you are able to place these fairy lights where you like. The only thing you have to do is get 3 AA batteries into position in the battery case. Okay, you have to look plus and minus pole. Plus is with the nipple, minus is with a flat area. The flat area comes to the spring, and the other side comes to the nipple side. Okay, then you can push on the button and you can switch between a lot of modes. These fairy lights are for indoor, of course, and for outdoor use. We have a nice Twinkle Starry lights with 8 flashing modes for Christmas, for our bedroom decoration, for the wall, for the garden, for wedding party, and it comes here in this case in warm white. It is also available in colored mode. Nice looking, but this is a different device. And blue and white is beautiful too. But here it comes with warm white. The first thing is you have to attach it where you like. And the positive thing behind this is you can attach it where you like because you are battery powered. Of course, you have the option to attach a AC adapter, of course, but this you have sold separately or buy separately, and then you can power this wired connection too. Okay, this is possible, of course, but here it comes. In the main feature is battery powered. Unlike other string lights with plugs, this battery operated string lights here needs the AA batteries, which are not included, okay? We never restricted by the position of the socket. With intelligent settings, the light will auto light up for 6 hours and automatically turn off after or for 18 hours to save the energy per the day. We don't worry about forgetting to turn off the power. We have 8 modes of lightning and flashing available. Include combination in waves, sequential, slo-glo, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, and of course steady on. We can control the mode with only one button on the battery case. The controller is designed to remember the last settings after cutting off the power. We no need to set the light again into our favorite mode. To switch on the automatically on and off mode, we have to push the button for 3 seconds, then it will go on into the remote operation mode. And if we dislike this again, we can push and hold 3 seconds the button again to come out of this program mode. It will be in automatic mode until you will push again, of course, or the battery power go down, okay? It's designed with 300 super bright light emitted diode bulbs on 40 meter high quality copper wire, which is bendable, so we can mold the strip lights into any shape we want. It's perfect for indoor and of course for outdoor too. For Christmas, oh yeah, think about the Christmas tree where you like to put up it. There is no power supply. Maybe it's possible. Okay, this is happened all year, And then you come with this LED string here. No problem because it's battery powered. And then you can start with your Christmas tree. Decorate them. Awesome. Or a party. Make a party with that. Or you have more. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor, so you can make an outdoor party. For Valentine's Day. For wedding. For our entire home. For the window decoration. Because most of the time, a window does not have a power supply. For bathrooms, festivals, holidays, shows, restaurant, in a hotel, a commercial building, shopping center, etc., etc., etc. And it comes with a warm, white 300 light emitter diode light, powered by batteries. It passed the CE, the ROW CE, the EMCCE, the LVD certified. The LED fairy light is made of high-quality material with high brightness, and it will not overheat after many hours after a long time of use. And it comes with a waterproof battery box, IP44 or up to IP67, perfect for indoor and outdoor. But take care, the light is IP44 waterproof, so we do not use it underwater. We get a warm white fairy lights in an awesome designed fairy light. You can attach it where you like because it is battery powered. It comes in white in this case. It's also available in colorful and blue and white. Oh, this is the GlobaLink LED string lights, 40m 300 LEDs, battery powered. Fairy lights are so twinkling. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.